So if you guys like to get into something like this, uh, you could autocross your mom's car, your sister's car, your father's car, or your own car. You can get hooked up with these guys down here and and they have track days when you can come down here and see what you can do. You know, and this like to be like a fun thing to do. Oh, here comes Michael. He's going in hot. He's too hot. I guess he's gotta get home. Gotta get home for dinner. I'll grab another one. Should be coming soon. Yeah, I think this is a hot corner. Oh, here comes somebody. Beamer. So, this whole event was told to me by Sean of Junkyard Finds and Barden Finds. So check him out. He's got a lot of cool stuff, and he can narrate a lot better than me. So give it a whirl. Thanks. Come again. And again, now I'm going to say it that you can listen to me. I would like to thank Sean of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, who gave me this lead on this track and this fun stuff that people are doing with their own drivers, everyday drivers. Just like